And so as a tenant, there's nothing worse than coming home to a house that's falling apart because you're powerless. It says right in your agreement, you can't fix anything without permission. And even if you knew how, and even if you wanted to, and even if you want to spend your own money on someone else's house, technically you can't.
Right.
So unless that landlord is willing and able to fix it, everything's falling apart around you, yet you're expected to pay full rent while the house is falling apart.
Yeah.
And so you have to wait till your lease is up and then you move, and that's it's not good for anybody.
No, and the property management is in the middle of that. So they're the ones feeling those.
So if that ever happens, and not to say we never had any problems ever, but if you ever had a situation like that, you make it real clear to the owner what their responsibility is, and why we ever got hooked up together. And not this hasn't happened, or if it's happened, it's very frequent. But if some property owner did not do what they're supposed to do or refused to do these things, I would have to say I can't help you anymore. I'm done. Because with NARPM, they have a standards,
right,
or ethics, and to the residents, to be professional. So, and I'm sure I've had to do this, and call up the people that live in the house and say, I'm sorry, I had to fire our client. I don't know what to tell you to do, but I want to let you know we're out. They didn't do this, and I'm sorry, and blah blah blah, whatever. It doesn't happen very often. But yeah, if that were to happen, you're real clear with the owner what their responsibility is. Like, you got to fix this. It's not like kick the can down the road. Because what happens is, remember the owners hired us so they don't have to interact with the people living there. So the residents don't have their phone number. They're calling us.
Right. That's what I mean.
We're in the middle. So if something's broken and we're waiting for the owner to give us an approval to fix it, the whole time, every day, twice a day, you got the people, hey, the air conditioner or the heater or whatever. But we don't have those problems. Because I think we do a really good job communicating.
Yeah, and setting expectations.
We have very low expectations. So, we
never get disappointed.
No, so yeah, exactly. But that's kind of how we handle things.